Oppo is developing the Oppo Find X5 Pro, a new smartphone. Oppo's expected price in USD is $1,081. Oppo Find X5 Pro is expected to be released on March 31, 2022. Let's talk about the specification. This phone is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU, which is the most powerful chipset available, in order to provide more power to the device. This phone boasts an Octa-Core processor that allows it to be extremely quick. In addition, this smartphone is equipped with an Adreno 730 GPU. The smartphone has a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED Capacitive Touchscreen display that offers Full HD plus a resolution of 1440 x 3216 pixels. This phone has a RAM capacity of 8 GB and 12 GB. The Oppo X5 Pro's internal storage space is 256 gigabytes, which is sufficient for storing a large amount of data for future usage. This phone has a 50 megapixels rear main camera setup, 50 megapixels plus 13 megapixels with a 3 megapixels depth camera sensor available on the back side of this phone. To make snapping selfies easier and more attractive, the phone's selfie shooter will have a single camera with a resolution of 32 megapixels. The Find X5 Pro has an optical fingerprint reader built into the display to protect the data on the phone and only allow authorized users to access it. The device will be powered by a non-removable LTPO 5000 mAh battery with support for 80-watt fast charging. This phone is running on Android 12 operating system. Additionally, this smartphone has also include these feature support, which is 5G, dual SIM, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 120 Hz display, USB Type-C, accelerometer, color spectrum, compass, gyro, proximity sensors. What do you think about this phone? Let's comments below, and don't forget like, share, comments and subscribe my channel.